Welcome to John Marshall High School's Exploring Woodworking Training Series. The Handheld Circular Saw. Handheld circular saws are portable saws that can be used when required cuts are more effectively done at the instruction site. There are several brands and styles, but the use and concerns are the same. These saws can be used for cross-cutting, and they can also be used for ripping. Cuts can also be made with the blade set at different angles and depths. Most handheld circular saws are powered by a 110-volt motor, but battery-powered are also becoming popular. Most circular saws use a 7 1/4 inch carbide tip blade. Safety procedures. Keep your hands away from the cutting area and blade. Keep your second hand on the auxiliary handle or motor housing. If both hands are holding the saw, they cannot be cut by the blade. However, other parts of your body can be cut. Never place your hand behind the saw blade, since kickback could cause the saw to jump backwards over your hand. Keep your body positioned to either side of the saw blade, but not in line with the saw blade. Kickback could cause the saw to jump backwards. Do not reach underneath the work. The guard cannot protect you from the blade below the work. Be sure to check that the guard works freely to open and close before using the saw. Remove all adjusting keys or wrenches before turning on the saw. Always wear eye protection. Do not overreach. Keep proper footing and balance at all times. Never hold a piece being cut in your hands or across your legs. Always observe that the lower guard is covering the blade before placing the saw on the bench or floor. Do not start the saw when the teeth are touching the material to be cut. Make all adjustments and maintenance with the saw unplugged or batteries removed. Operating procedures. The stock should be supported by a bench. Cross cuts, material cut to length, should be made with the cut end being free to fall to the floor after the cut is made. If cross-cutting a piece of lumber, use a square to mark where you intend to cut. Ripping lumber can be done by using a rip fence or by fastening a straight edge. Congratulations! You are now ready to take the Handheld Circular Saw Online Safety Test.